How to add designs in Gmail. If you feel like your Gmail inbox is bit plain, want to inject some personality and make it visually appealing? Well, you absolutely can. Gmail lets you add themes and designs super easy. Let me show you how. First up, look for the little gear icon. It's your setting. You can see it right over here between the help section and the Gemini section. Now, go ahead and click on it. In the quick setting panel that pop up, you will notice the theme section. So this is the density. Here you can see theme. Tap on view, and there you can see different themes right over there. And this is where the magic happens. Gmail has bunch of pre-made themes. You can browse through, scroll through these themes and take a look and find that catches your eyes. Did you spot it? Anything cool? Click on that and click on the preview. Let me find what I like. Let it be this one. Let's tap on and let's preview how it look like. I think it looks good. After you're happy with it, simply tap on save. And this is how it look like. And if you are not happy with it, or if you don't like it, no worries, just pick the another one. You can change this anytime you want to freshen the things up. And just like that, your Gmail is looking more stylish. Pretty simple, right? Right now, let me know in the comments which theme you picked, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.